Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Hope you're doing well today. I'm going to share with you some cards that I've been making. I've been making quite a few cards in the last week or so, I guess, over the past week. And I'm going to share with you probably 6 or 7 different ones that I've finished today. I've been using this Sizzix framelits dies, the circle dies, and there's 8 in the package, and various sizes there, from the smallest to a big large one. And so there's lots of different ways you can use these. So I'll show you what I've done with the cards I've made. The papers I've used are just from lots of different random paper pads that I've had. Some were just scraps that I had pieces left over and wanted to use up. So I'm gonna, this is the first one here with this pretty kind of rainbow color paper on there. I've used just a A2 card base, and then some yellow, just plain yellow paper here, and the rainbow paper in a rectangle that I cut out there, and then use the circle dies, and I've left some kind of negative space in there so that the rainbow background paper would show through. I've added some little stickles on there and some cute little puffy kind of candy and sweet ice cream cone on there, and just layered it up, and I think it turned out really cute. And see, I'll show you this is the package that I used for the little sweets. This is cute. Puffy stickers, just real small ones. So they work for decor on the cards. So that's the first one. And I've done a second one. Just this one going vertically instead of horizontally, and left the negative space again with the circle dies there, and just put the message party on that one. And then some of the sweets on top of there as well. And the messages, these ones that I've used were from this little package here. It's called Soft Spoken Words, and so there's lots of fun words on this. All kinds of birthday greetings, treats, ice cream, blow out the candles, you're invited, my day, hooray, all kinds of fun words you can use. And so they have the sticky on the back of them as well, and it's raised up, so they work really nice on the cards. So that's the second one. Then I've done, let's see, another one here. I've used various sizes of the circle dies and just layered them together. And I did them in different patterns. And then let's see, and then I used I guess a oval die that I had there and cut out that shape that's on the top, and then I stamped happy birthday to you on there, and just add a little puffy heart, and just some background paper that I was trying to use up, and it's kind of a grayish floral, but I thought it needed some brightening up, so that's why I put all the pretty colors on there. And then this is the hearts that I used to decorate those. These are just little heart stickers, just tiny ones, but they're cute for decorating. And all of those I got at Michael's. And here's another one here with that same gray floral background, and then the circles layered up. This time I did kind of a sunset scene with water in there, and or the ocean that you can see, and layered those circles up, and then a little small rectangle die that I used and stamped just for you on there. And then here's one that's a pink floral, and this one I've just used 2 circles on there, lighter floral on the back there, and then the pink that matches the background, and then layered some rectangle dies on there as well, kind of in the reverse, and used one of those soft spoken words that says celebrate, and added the little pink hearts on there. So I thought that turned out really pretty. And then another one along the same lines with the word celebrate on there. And this one has doves and some floral flowers and little branches on there. And then layered it kind of the same as the other one with the 2 circles, and then the rectangle dies as well. And this time I put the little kind of aqua hearts on there. So they could be birthday cards or and maybe an anniversary card, or something that is being celebrated anyways. Would be good for different events. And then the last one I've done here is a birthday one with a purple background with gold stars on it. And I've used a couple of, I guess 3 of the circle dies on here. Layered those up, kind of found some paper in similar colors there. And stamped happy birthday to you in the aqua kind of color stamp there, or ink I should say. And then just added a couple little puffy stickers and a little gold star in there to match. Just kind of filled in the space there. And so I thought they turned out really nice, and so that's what I've been doing. So I hope that inspires you to carry on in your card making journey and have some fun. So hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.